The layout for a new kitchen is super important. It is the blueprint of your kitchen. I will say that it is as important as the blueprint of the home that you will build or have built, because it's on a smaller scale. It talks about your movement in the kitchen, your space, desired space for storage or for party moving or for countertop space, etc., etc. So when we design a kitchen space, first of all, we already have an idea what should go and what should be, and that is done through our visit at the home, through our session with you and our questions and your answer. So we guide you with, hey, we think this is the best layout, and depending on your answers, we will make modifications and show you, hey, this is your best layout option, etc., etc. It is a process. It's not built in one session, and it takes time to make something that is bulletproof, because it works and is functional and is beautiful and is going to serve you for many years to come. There is a difference between layout for flip and layout for I'm going to stay in the home. So be honest with the person that you're going to use to design your space of what your intentions are, because if you're going to stay into your existing home, we will really go much deeper into the questions, into the possibilities, and into making the perfect layout for you. We use programs. We have, as the kitchen layout is done, you are able to see a 3D version of what your kitchen would look like. And then of course we have mood boards and etc., that helps you know, and okay, those are the colors, those are the door styles, and that's what the kitchen will look like. As we spend the time for every detail, we always explain to you why we will go that route versus another route. So when you are selecting or approving your kitchen layout, you know that that is the best option for you and your home.